Hi guys! My name is Kay and welcome to my channel. So for today's video is i-share ko sa inyo yung first na Voxbox na na-receive ko from Influenster. Be wondering, ano ba yung Influenster? Influenster is a site for product discovery and reviews. So basically, what you would have to do is to create an account. It will ask for your demographics and your social media platforms. If you have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and then once your profile is complete, you will have what they call the impact score. So this impact score is like how many people would reach if you are utilizing your social media platforms. From what I understood, itong influencer they mean to reach out to other people para makita kung ano yung mga products na nag-work sa kanila at yung mga products na hindi naman nag-work para sa kanila, to help out other people in making the decision of buying items out in the market. Tapos, kapag nakapag-create ka na ng profile mo, meron silang ibibigay sa'yo ng mga surveys based on your interest. Kasi itong influencer, it's not specifically just for beauty products. They also have services, they have food, they have something that you use for household, for pets. Marami. Anything that would, yung mga interesado ka, makikita mo doon. So, you just have to select what applies to you or what you're interested in, and then you will be getting a survey. So, dun sa survey na yon, makikita mo kung ano yung mga items na, yung mga brands na out in the market. Tapos, if you select these items, it will ask you for the products that you have used from the certain brands. So, it's very helpful. It's a helpful site, most especially for us consumers, kasi makikita natin kung ano yung mga products that is worth it for its price. So, for this site, hindi lang siya for product reviews. You get to interact with other influencers also, kasi may parang recently lang yung feature nila na you can follow other influencers as well. And then, so this influencer, I had it since last year. And then, my main goal is to get free makeup. Sino bang ayaw, diba? It's been quite a while and I haven't received any email notification that I qualified for a Voxbox. The Voxbox is a campaign from certain brands if they have new releases, new items, upcoming collections that they send to their influencers for review, na ilipopost din nila sa influencer page nila. So, last April, naka-receive ako ng email notification that I qualified for the Max Factor Arabia campaign. But sadly, I didn't get to receive the box, which is okay because Influencer had helped me in other ways other than the free items. I have discovered so many items, so much makeup, and I think most of the recommendations really worked for me. Then I received another email from them saying that I qualified for the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Volume Mascara campaign. So, I was very happy. And then, when the box came, it came with this box. So, after receiving the email that I qualified, I received it after a week. And that was in September. So, it's been a month nung na-receive ko tong box na to. So, I will show you what's inside. So, ayan lang siya. Tiny lang yung box niya. And it only has one product. Unlike other campaigns na multiple items yung nasa loob, ito, isa lang yung product na nasa loob because they're campaigning just for a specific brand. So, when you open this box, it comes with the box, with this pamphlet says here, Experience Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara, Marc Jacobs Beauty. And it has one full-size mascara. And by the way, this is given to me as a complimentary sample for review purposes. And ang maganda dito is it's full size. It's a full size item. And this retails for 140 riyals in Sephora here in Saudi Arabia. So it's not bad. And it just takes patience. It will come. Basta lang maging interactive ka dun sa Influenster mo, then the Voxbox will come. And once you receive this Voxbox, meron kang mga parang mga task that you need to complete sa Influenster website also, sa Influenster app. So once ma-complete mo na yon, you will earn the badge, and it's a must na i-complete mo yung mga task nila so that in the future you would be able to qualify for other campaigns as well. So, yun lang yung nasa box ko, and I'm so glad that I have received this box. Thank you, Influenster and Marc Jacobs Beauty, for sending me this mascara. I have made a review of this mascara sa Instagram lang, but it's not a really thorough review because I'm new to this reviewing type thing, and I really like it. It's been a month and I have been using it for days when I feel like I want to put some mascara on, or pagka gusto kong maglagay lang ng mascara or practice, since it was given to me for free. And I like it. I really like it, not because it was given to me for free or not because it's high end, but it really works for my lashes. So yun lang yung laman ng box. It's the only one, and I was hoping that I'll get to have more unboxing from Influencer, and I think that's about it for my video today. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo as much as I did, and I'll see you on my next one. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!